This is your first opportunity to see the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8. Its specifications were revealed earlier today, and now we can see its proportions and design. According to recently revealed CAD-based renders, Samsung appears to be adhering closely to the previous generation's design language rather than making any significant modifications this time. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 is approximately 158.4 x 143.2 by 4.52 by 4.5 mm when unfolded, and 158.4 by 72.8 by 9 mm when folded, according to a report by Android Headlines in association with Onyx. Since these figures are merely estimates, the finished product might be as thin as the Galaxy Z Fold 7. The phone is anticipated to include a huge 8-inch foldable OLED panel inside, in addition to a 6.5-inch cover display. Not much appears to have changed visually. There is still no indication of an under-display camera upgrade, and the camera module, which still has a triple camera configuration, looks almost exactly the same. But there may be a little but significant change. According to reports, the unfolded thickness may increase slightly to about 5.5 mm when the camera bump is included, and there may be a very intriguing explanation for this. The somewhat thicker design may indicate the reintroduction of S Pen support, even though it's not evident in the renders. Many fans of the Galaxy Z Fold Wide were not pleased with Samsung's choice to remove S Pen compatibility from the prior generation in order to attain a thinner profile. Here's the twist. It may finally provide S Pen support, something that fans have been demanding for years. Now, Anthony is the source of this leak. And if this proves to be accurate, Samsung may be developing a foldable tablet that falls into an entirely separate category. Something greater, more potent, and more productivity-focused than ever before, not just a fold or a flip. The normal Galaxy Z Fold May 8th not support the S Pen this time, but the Galaxy Z Wide Fold is anticipated to. Samsung may be isolating the experience rather than cramming the S Pen into a smaller Fold 8 design. A lighter, thinner Fold 8 on one side. Conversely, a wider, thicker, more potent Fold designed especially for productivity. And since adding S Pen support isn't easy, this actually makes a lot of sense. Thickness is added by additional digitizer layers, internal space, and structural modifications. Furthermore, it's obvious that Samsung doesn't want to sacrifice the Fold 8's elegant appearance.